Welcome. If you've noticed that images and videos in your Discord mobile chats are loading slower than usual, or maybe you're not getting the full experience because of compressed media, chances are data saving mode is turned on. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off data saving mode in Discord mobile chat, so you can enjoy smooth, high-quality conversations with your friends. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now that you're in settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Chat. Tap on Chat to open up all the chat-related settings. This is where you can customize how your messages, media, and notifications behave in Discord. Inside the chat settings, look for the switch or toggle labeled Data Saving Mode. This feature is designed to help you save mobile data by reducing the quality of images and videos, or by stopping them from loading automatically. While it's useful if you're on a limited data plan, it can make your chat experience less enjoyable. To turn off data saving mode, simply tap the toggle so it switches off. You'll know it's off when the switch is no longer highlighted. That's it. You've now disabled data saving mode, and Discord will go back to loading your images and videos in their full quality, just like before. If you ever want to turn data saving mode back on for any reason, just follow these same steps and toggle it back. But for now, enjoy your improved chat experience. No more blurry images or missing videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.